Oh my god.
Oh my, never gets old. What's up, MWG family? Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, Super Bowl 52, the Eagles versus the Patriots. That's coming around 6:30. We're going to like a friend's house to watch it. They have a Tesla there, and that Tesla thing has something to do with what we're going to do first. We're going to go to the Tesla store at around 10 a.m. to see the Tesla Model 3. I have yet to see the Tesla Model 3, and I want to personally see it the first time so I can take pictures of it, vlog it, and not just see it out on the road and say, oh look, the Tesla Model 3. I actually want to film it because man, the Tesla Model 3 is my dream car and I hope to own it one day. But man, what a beautiful sunrise today. There's some pink clouds behind me, some pink clouds over here. Let's get this nice time lapse. Let's get this day started on Super Bowl Sunday. Ba-na-ba-bum, bum bum bum. Man, what a beautiful sunrise. The birds are chirping. But let me tell you a little thing about today. Cause I mean, I was never really a car fanatic, really, like, ever. Growing up, when I hear like an engine roar, I was like, you paid for an upgrade. All right, cool. But then Elon Musk came around and then he came up with the whole concept. I mean, he didn't come up with the concept, but he was promoting the concept of electric cars. And I was like, renewable is the future, right? Solar panels, hydroelectric, all that, that's the future. And electric cars need to be a part of that future. So I was like, Elon Musk is doing something great. Let me support him. Let me look up on what he's doing. And he came out with the Roadster, the Tesla Model S and X. I was loving all those three cars, right? And now he's coming out with the 2020 Roadster, 600 miles, 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. He's coming out with the Tesla Semi. But the most important car for the whole entire world is the Tesla Model 3. That's a mass market electric car. And now I'm really like into cars. I mean, not really like cars in general, but all electric cars I'm into. And Tesla really provides that great option of electric cars. I mean, I'm just going off right now, but I mean, my fandom for electric cars is for sure 100% there. Do you want to know what else I love to see other than Tesla cars? Is solar panels right there, taking it part of the future. Solar, Tesla, perfect mix together for the future. The sun's completely up now on a beautiful day. But now it's time to go to the mall. And we're here at the mall about to see the Tesla Model 3. I'm excited. I've never been to this Tesla store, so I have no idea what it's like. Look, here's the Model 3. The Maserati, right? That's a Tesla car, right?
You said this
No,
wasn't
look, you can clearly see that there's an exhaust right there, so it's not electric.
You're not funny.
I'm not funny?
This car's nicer than a Tesla.
It's nice, red leather, but not as good as a Tesla. So sadly, we're not gonna go inside the Teslas because it opens up at 12 on Sunday. Every other day opens up at 10, so I thought it opens up at 10, but it said it's gonna open up at 12. You could still see all the cars right in there, we can't go inside the Model 3. That's the Model S. So I'm pretty sure that right there is the Model 3. I just wondered, this is the second floor of the mall. How did they even get the cars up here? Seriously though, 4 cars? How did they even get it all the way up here? Yup, that is it right there, the Tesla Model 3. Ah, what a shame. What a shame indeed. Can't see it. I want to go inside it so bad. Oh, look at it, Model 3. Oh, one of the few cars out on display in the whole country. And I can't go inside it yet. Stinks. Bye, Model 3. Hopefully gonna own you one day. But for right now, I can't even go inside you.
2 hours later.
Here we go with the attempt 2. We're trying to see the Tesla Model 3. Hopefully it's even open. Now here we go to see attempt number 2 on the Model 3. Now look, we could walk right in. Here it is. Here's the whole store. The Model 3 right there. We gotta go check it out. Oh, I wanna go inside it. Nothing. Beautiful. These are 19-inch wheels. Oh, here we go. Oh, just like this. It's so weird.
To open your glove box, it's also on this screen. It's right here. That will pop that open. So you click this or that button, it would pop your trunks open. You do need to close them manually. camera if you would want to have that open. Here is your charging information, and this is your voice command. Navigate to Orlando. Nav is very responsive, it's super fast. You can literally do whatever you want. So it's very fast.
I have a question.
Yes.
For the pay-per-use supercharging, right? How much does it cost for like a full charge?
For a full charge, it's approximately $10. It's going to depend where your battery is at and what location you're at. You can put your phones here. We install the charger for you as service, so you can just click it there and charge. Here's more storage, and there's storage in here as well.
Right.
This one right here, and then you can drag the little blobs, and that'll direct your airflow.
And they actually are coming out from here.
Yep. Yeah, all-wheel drive will start building towards the end of this year. If you place a reservation today, you're looking at about 12 to 18 months for delivery. To get out of the car, it is that top button on the handle with a little line on it. Yep.
Well, that's pretty responsive.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's awesome. Bye Tesla, that was an awesome experience finally getting to see the Model 3. Hopefully I'm in frame so I don't have to do this again, but man, that was so cool seeing the Tesla Model 3 for the first time. It was everything I could have hoped for and a little bit more. I mean, I got to see everything. It was like a little tour, a little exclusive tour. I was not expecting that. I thought you were just gonna walk in, figure out everything for yourself. It was a little tour, which was pretty nice. The front storage, or called the frunk, was a little bigger than expected, but everything else is pretty much the same. I already knew it. I mean, I've been fantasizing about this car for months and months, and even now, like around a year now. So I knew everything about the car. I was excited to finally see it, get a glimpse of the car, hopefully my future car. But now, I mean, it's time for the Super Bowl. Patriots versus Eagles. See you there. Here's the kickoff. Super Bowl 52. Here we go. What an interception that just happened. Stephen Gilmore, I think he got the interception. But look at this replay. Look at this. Long throw by Nick Foles. Look at this. Look at this tip. Oh! What an interception. Patriots back in it. Look at this tip. Look at this tip. Oh! Flips it there right to him. Ah! That's going to come back to bite him, maybe. We'll see.
They start this drive from their own team.
Oh, they're going to go for it. They're going for it. Foot down. Oh, they got it. They got it. Touchdown. They went for on fourth, and they paid off. Eagles touchdown. What's the score now? 21-12 going to half. I just got inside from playing football. I didn't see the halftime show. I mean, I'm sure Justin Timberlake did just fine. But look, the Patriots scored, so I need a little catch up on this. But it's 22-19. Eagles is still winning. Tesla here. No, the Model S is much faster than the Model X. P100D. 0 to 60 in like 2.3 seconds. P100G. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Your body parts might move around. Are you okay with this?
Oh, we gotta put the seatbelt on.
Wait, where are we gonna go?
Just in the neighborhood.
Are you okay? Are you okay
be
with body
fast.
parts moving around? Yeah. We are in a Tesla right now. Won't be late. Yeah. Make us drive itself.
No,
can't.
that's stupid.
I can't do it in here because it's a little neighborhood street. It does it on like streets with stripes and stuff like that.
Has to have the lines.
Yeah, lines.
Are we staying in the neighborhood?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go right here. Where does it get straight?
Oh.
Oh,
Here we
body
go.
parts will
Here we
jiggle.
go.
All right, everyone prepare
There we go.
yourselves.
0 to
Put it in
60.
ludicrous.
It's already in ludicrous.
What's that?
Already in ludicrous.
It's
All right, is
fast.
everyone ready?
Fast mode. Here we go. Here we go.
Head back, everyone.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh, let's go.
63.
That was fast.
Crazy fast.
0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds.
Oh, but the roaster's 1.8.
2020.
Yeah, the Roadster, man, that would be awesome.
Oh,
Here we go. Here we go.
Go, 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 go.
Let's see how fast this is.
Oh my god.
Oh my! Never gets old. Never gets old.
We're saving the planet 1/4 mile at a time.
Yeah, right? That's awesome.
We're saving the planet one Ferrari at a time.
Enough about the awesome P100D Tesla, which was, I mean, it's crazy fast. It feels so good, just pure electricity. But let's get back to the Super Bowl 52. It's 100% going to come down to the end. Eagles 29, Patriots 26, third quarter. So got another quarter to go. Let's do this. Hammer! That's game. Eagles have won it. Eagles have won it. We just got done watching Super Bowl 52. What a game from start to finish. The Eagles versus the Patriots. But the Eagles, the underdog team, took this one and beating the Tom Brady, the GOATs. But today was all about Tesla. I rode in the P100D for the first time. Got to see the Model 3 for the first time. What a wonderful day on Super Bowl Sunday. So make sure you hit that little bell icon to stay notified whenever I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one.